Hello friends, today I'm making this video just because I've seen there is a new scam in the UK. I myself received a third call in a week, and they're just ringing from like HMRC, Revenue Department, National Insurance Department, Tax Department. And today I've received the third call, and it's a scam. It's definitely a scam. I'll tell you the detail. I've recorded the call because I bought a SIM, from it's not even a registered SIM, just to keep my second phone open. And normally my kids only play the cartoons on my second phone because I don't use it. And when this phone was ringing in the morning, and because I've already received two calls in this week, so I just have a clue that it's something like the previous calls. I've recorded the call when I received, like the previous two calls. We are ringing you from HM. First, I think you should listen the call first.
To us, and the warrant will be issued under your name straight away, and you will get arrested shortly.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
HM Revenue and Customs, how can I help you?
Hello, ਭਾਜੀ ਕਿਦਾਂ?
I'm sorry.
ਠੀਕ ਹੋ?
What you said?
What I said.
What's that?
बोल. Excuse, I was rude in the end, and they just hang up and ran away. People living in UK, especially, be aware. It's a very big scam. They have looted so many people. They will ask money to just drop the case against you and drop the charges. They will ask if you pay 200 or 2,000 pound right now, we will drop the case and the charges will be off. Don't do this. Don't give any bank information, address or anything. It's definitely a scam. And if you go on HMRC website, they will give you more details, because they already mention on their website that these calls are scam. If they ring you, they will ask you to press 1 for more details, and when you press 1, they will ask you like all this frauds. If you notice again, I'll show you again the call. It's like automated call, recorded call. It's not even a person. I think they recorded from a person, and they playing when they ring you. They play the audio, and it's not even a person. When I was speaking in my Punjabi language, he just hung up and ran away. He knows what I'm saying in Punjabi, because their own accent is not British accent, even not American accent, and not English accent. Please be careful. Don't give any details to them. Thank you.